A long straight wire of a radius A carries a steady current I. The current is uniformly distributed across its cross-section. The ratio of the magnetic field at A by 2 and 2A is basically what is happening. This is a straight long wire having a radius A, right? So this is basically the axis and this is having a radius A. Now it is carrying a current I and it is uniformly distributed all over the cross section. The current I is going upwards, right? The current is uniformly distributed across its cross section. The ratio of the magnetic field at A by 2 and 2A. Where will be A by 2? It will be here, somewhere here, and 2A will be this point. Let us mark this as point B, this point as A, right? This is A point and this is B point. So at A by 2, if we see, what we have to do is we have to use Ampere's circuital law, right? So Ampere's circuital law, what we can say is mu naught into I enclosed. This will be given by B dot dl, right? So this is what, now what we do is we create a hypothetical surface like this, right? And how much current is there in it? It will be, because it was uniformly distributed across its cross section, that means if the total current is I, so up to this point it will be pi A by 2 whole square divided by pi A square, because this is what? This is current per unit area, and into that area how much area is there, right? So this will be the current, and dl is B dot 2 pi into A by 2, right? This is dl, basically 2 pi into A by 2. So that means it implies that B will be equal to mu naught into I into 1 by 4, right? Rest of the things will cancel out, divided by 2 pi into A by 2. We can cancel out this also. So this will be mu naught I upon 4 pi A, right? This will be at point A. Now at point B, if we see, if we again use the Ampere circuital law, this is basically the hypothetical surface that we can draw, right? This will be, you know, intersecting over here. So it is given by what formula? Again Ampere circuital law, mu naught into I enclosed. What is I enclosed? I enclosed is total I, current I. We can write it as capital I. This will be equal to B dot dl. Now what is dl? dl is 2 pi into 2A, right? So that means BB will be equal to mu naught into I upon 4 pi A, right? So that means BA upon BB, this we have to calculate the ratio. This will be equal to what? 1. So that means option D is correct.